Welcome to TravelBiz Monitor Daily News, your quick dose of top travel headlines and insights. Stay ahead, stay informed. Goa records 10.5% growth in tourists during Q1, holds high-level strategy meeting. In a proactive move to reinforce Goa's position as a premier tourism destination, the Department of Tourism, Government of Goa, convened the high-level stakeholder meeting today at Paryatan Bhavan, Panjim. Aviation Minister meets Airlines to discuss resuming full operations. Civil Aviation Minister K. Ram Mohan Naidu, along with senior officials, held a meeting with Airlines representatives on Tuesday and discussed about flight disruptions due to airport closures, lowering tax on jet fuel and other issues, according to sources. IHCL's Puneet Chhatwal calls for unity to rebuild tourism post-Pahalgam attack. Puneet Chhatwal, MD and CEO of Indian Hotels Company Limited, IHCL, has stressed the need for collective efforts across the tourism, hospitality, and aviation sectors to restore business confidence in Kashmir and other affected regions following the Pahalgam terror attack. Patnitop sees tourism boost amid Kashmir tensions. With escalating tensions between India and Pakistan and recent security concerns in Kashmir, Patnitop, a hill station in Jammu's Udhampur district, has emerged as a safe haven for tourists. Finnair becomes the first airline globally to create a native order powered by Amadeus technology. Finnair has gone live with the world's first native order as it continues to pioneer the industry with digital innovations and modern retailing capabilities.